drinks down in the club. I always keep that shit on top. My piece flash like a disco ball. I dance like I don't give a fuck. I flush my drinks down in the club. I always keep that shit on top. My piece flash like a disco ball. I dance like I don't give a fuck. If it's me that you need, you miss me here, though I don't pick up your call. It's been falling, I've been stalling for weeks. The stars are pretty when the sky falls. She come by my side, I can be right, I'm on the phone. Can we dance tonight? We gotta be alright. What inside? Can you open up your mind and see what inside for you, baby? What inside? Can you open up your mind and see what inside for you, baby? I flush my drinks down in the club. I always keep that shit on top. My piece flash like a disco ball. I dance like I don't give a fuck. I flush my drinks down in the club. If it's me that you need, I always keep that shit on top. Though I don't pick up your call. My piece flash like a disco ball, and I've been stalling for weeks. I dance like I don't give a fuck. When the sky falls. She come by my side, I can be right, I'm on the phone. Can we dance tonight? We gotta be alright. She come by my side, I can be right, I'm on the phone.
What is this?
That is a 1972 Chevelle Super Sport.
It looks gorgeous. It looks brand new.
Yeah, it's probably almost as good or not better than when it come off the factory floor. Did you see inside?
I have not. Wow. Damn, this is clean.
Yeah, the only thing different in here is it's got a 5-speed Tremec instead of the Muncie 4-speed.
Those are soft seats for sure. I've been in them before, but it wasn't near as, wasn't like this. This is beautiful.
This is back when they was making cars.
Is it as pretty under the hood?
I think so.
I agree.
It's a factory air car. It's got a 454 GM crate motor, 460 horsepower.
I mean, that's damn near close to a Stingray.
Yeah. So yeah, it's got all the power I need.
Yeah, this is beautiful. And what year is this?
72.
72. And I saw you have another Vette.
Yeah, my 68.
Can we show that one or
Yeah,
show
if you
people
want
that
to.
one?
Not much light in here.
I like the bikes. How long did the batteries last in that?
Surprisingly long, really.
Really?
I mean, you could probably go 50 miles easy.
Wow.
Yeah, this is a 68 427 car.
I love that blue.
Numbers matching engine and transmission. It was the L71 package.
Now, when people say numbers matching,
That means it's got the same engine and transmission than it left the factory with.
okay. So, okay, makes sense.
Yeah, 435 horsepower.
This is freaking beautiful in here.
Thank you.
That's good. It looks brand new. It also looks brand new.
Need to drive it more.
How often do you drive it?
Not probably maybe once a month, really.
Oh, wow. Well, let's go to the main event here and see what we've got. So anyways, I haven't done this yet. This is Terry. This is the owner of the C8, the Z06 that we just put doors on. What do you think? the doors.
I love them. It turned out great.
I agree. I think they did as well. That was, I was
Yeah.
telling them earlier, like how smooth the V2 installs on the Z06 is crazy. Like I have more hassle, like of the fine tuning and stuff with the Stingrays and the HTCs than I ever have with an E-Ray or a Z06. It's something with the wide body. You've done some stuff to this thing, I see.
Did a little carbon fiber in the engine compartment.
A little? I don't think this will classify.
Yeah,
or
you might say I
qualify
got
as
carried
little.
away a little bit. But yeah, I think it should have come from the factory. A
Yeah,
little
with
bit like
something
that.
a little
It was
bit
just-
more than like the nasty matte colored plastic.
Exactly.
Because that stuff just, it turns white.
Does it really?
Yeah, it gets like a white residue on it. It just forms, comes out of nowhere, it seems like. What else have you done? I've noticed the back valance here.
Yeah, I put a rear diffuser on there. It was actually
That's
pretty
sharp.
easy. I think it kind of sets it off a little bit.
It does, I agree.
Nothing too drastic.
And that just kind of fits on over.
Yeah,
Nothing.
you don't even have to change the rear part of the
Wow.
whole thing. Just right on. And there's some bolts on the bottom.
Wow,
15 minutes.
that's crazy. These are beautiful cars. The Z06s are nice. I wasn't a fan of how, seems like they rounded the edges more. Like on the front, they're more, I don't know, you know what I'm talking about? Like the curvature in like this area is just more rounded, like more
Yeah.
European, I think. I don't know.
But
I
it's
don't
still
know.
got that Corvette look to it.
Oh,
I mean,
absolutely.
you can still recognize it.
Oh, yeah, from a mile away. Well, a mile away, they don't know what it is. Sorry. Well, yeah, not now, sitting the way it sits now. So what are your overall thoughts on why, I guess, why did you want the doors in the first place?
I don't know. I think they're cool looking for one thing. I just think this car, you know, it's just made for this car. I mean, being a super car.
Yeah.
You know, those doors just fit on there. It just looks natural to me.
I agree. It does scream like it needs something unique. That's what I
So-
find a lot of people say is it looks like it should have came
Yeah.
this way from the factory. Thank God that it didn't, obviously. But it does look beautiful.
And, you know,
with
it's not a
them.
drastic thing to do either, because you can always go back to factory if you want to.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that was one big thing I liked about it.
Why the V2 series and not the competitor's kit?
I don't know. I looked at both of them, and the V2 just looked like there was a lot more engineering involved with it. I mean, you got bearings in there, and it's just a better looking kit, I think.
Appreciate that. Well, we did try. I mean, that was, you know, we
Yeah.
wanted to make something that was different, in our opinion, better than what was out there. It's not to put another person down, another company's, you know, product down, but
Right. I mean, I did my research. There's really only a couple places that do these, you know, you guys and then the other guys.
yeah,
And
one of two options really.
it was no comparison really once I looked at the kits.
Now, have you got to, like, in real life, have you seen a Corvette, whether it's a Z06 or not, have you seen a C8 with vertical doors on
No.
it? No? Okay.
Nope.
I was asking, like, comparison, like if you've,
No, well, on videos, but
yeah. How easy is this door for you to go up and down with, in your opinion?
oh, piece of cake.
Is it?
Yeah.
You want to show them?
A lot of room to get in, and really to pull it down is just nothing to it.
That was pretty easy of a pull down.
Yep. And going up's even easier. But yeah, I like them. I think it turned out really nice.
I agree. Thank you. Thank you.
I would recommend them.
Well, he said it, not me. He would recommend us and recommend the vertical doors overall.
Yeah, and here's your money back. You don't have to pay me to do that.
He ratted me out. But no, it did come out. It was awesome. It was nice. It was smooth. Like I said, overall, I can't explain why the Z06 is so much smoother of an install. It's weird. I don't understand it. It's funny. It's funny to me.
Beautiful.
What do you think of the lines with the gaps and everything? Look good?
I think they actually look a little better than they did from factory when I had the factory hinges on there. Yeah, it turned out really great.
Thank you.
Happy with it.
Better than factory. You can't get much better than that, guys. You can't get better than factory. Well, obviously you can. It does look nice.
Sweet.
Well, Terry, it was a pleasure meeting you.
Same here.
It was a pleasure meeting you and everyone at home watching. Terry, where are we at right now?
Findlay, Ohio.
So from Findlay, Ohio, catch you on the next one. Please like, subscribe, share. And if you have questions, give us a call.